Moving locally in Boston can be surprisingly expensive and time-consuming if you're not prepared. Between narrow streets, parking permits, and strict building rules, even short-distance moves require smart planning. The key to saving both time and money is working with Boston local movers who understand the city inside and out. Many people underestimate what goes into Boston moving costs. Pricing is influenced by factors like distance, total volume, stairs, elevators, parking access, and time of year. Hidden fees can include long carry charges, permit issues, or delays caused by poor planning. That's why it's important to request detailed moving quotes and ask questions up front. One of the easiest ways to save money on a Boston move is reducing how much you move. Decluttering before packing can significantly lower your moving costs by reducing truck size, labor hours, and packing materials. Many Boston residents find free boxes at grocery stores, bookstores, or local libraries. Timing is everything when moving in Boston. Choosing off-peak days like midweek or mid-month can lower rates by 10 to 20%. Avoiding peak seasons, especially late summer, helps reduce costs and stress. Short-term storage solutions can also save time and money by allowing you to stage your move in phases. Boston local movers offer more than just muscle. They bring city-specific expertise that saves time and money. From handling parking permits to navigating tight staircases and historic buildings, experienced movers prevent delays and costly mistakes.